Hootsuite's Advertise feature allows users to reach their full advertising potential by putting budget behind their best social media posts. You can find it in 3 locations: Ads, Create, and Streams. Let's start in Ads, where you'll see the option to boost your content on your network. Let's dig into a Facebook example. Here, you'll have 2 main options. Find a post to boost, where you manually select a specific post, and set up an automated boost, which automatically identifies Facebook posts to promote based on your guidance. To set up an auto boost, select your page and ad account. Name your campaign and pick an objective. If you're not sure what to pick, review the available options to make sure they match up with your goals. Next, set your conversion location if applicable, and optimize your ad delivery for the metrics you want to target, like page views or link clicks. If you're targeting a regulated industry in the US, like housing, credit, or employment, you need to declare it to comply with Facebook's policies. Once you've locked in the basics, it's time to identify your audience. Select a Hootsuite custom advanced audience or a meta saved audience here. Or build your ideal audience details by customizing a range of targeting options. Just like regulated industries in the US, if your ads target EU audiences, you'll need to declare it and list the beneficiary and payer entity to proceed. Meta's algorithm will automatically prioritize your spend on where it believes your ad will perform better. But if you want to control more precisely where your ad appears, you can manually select the device, platform, and placement. Now onto budget. Select a daily budget or set an amount for the entire campaign. This amount might not be completely used, depending on factors like whether your audience was available during your specified times. So schedule your ads for times they'll be most effective. Finally, set up your boosting criteria. With automation triggers, Hootsuite can identify the posts that should be promoted to save you time in your current and future advertising efforts. There are 3 trigger options: all posts, hot posts identified by Facebook as high performing, and posts with a minimum amount of engagement. Once selected, set how long you want these posts to be boosted within the duration of your campaign. Say you want to prioritize a group of posts that share themes across all of your content, for example, summary or beachy content. Select posts with a minimum amount of engagement to promote any Facebook posts that have been shared at least 100 times and include the keywords beach and tropical. Then we'll add additional keywords that exclude any posts containing the words unhappy or cold. Similarly, we can also find content by tags assigned to it here. Hootsuite will evaluate all posts moving forward that meet your campaign's criteria. It will also review posts from the previous 7 days to expand the pool of potential posts to promote and get you up and running faster. Now, let's manually find a post to boost. In the table, identify a top post. Then select an ad account and edit the settings like objectives, audience, and budget. Review your ad, and when you're ready, boost it. In Ads, you can also review the performance of your ad campaigns, filter by ad account, view campaign stats, and pause or delete campaigns. You can review your settings on successful campaigns to build on them in the future easily. Now, let's take a quick look at our other options to boost content. In Create, you can promote content in 2 ways. Pick a platform associated with your ad account, enable Promote This Post, then adjust your boost settings as you did before. Or from the drop-down, select the platform you want to create an ad for and start getting to work or get Writer AI to do it for you. And when you're done, you can publish immediately or save it as a draft. In Streams, scroll to find a post you want to promote and hit Boost. And finally, head to Plan to edit the boost settings on drafted or scheduled posts.